Hi everyone, and thank you for attending this breakout session. During this session, we will see how you can design and run your website with OVH and Platform.sh. Your presenter during this session will be me, Grégory Soileux, as product manager for the ecosystem.
Hi, I am Vijay Kumar, a lead for product integration in OVHcloud.
Hi, I'm Gauthier Garnier, Director of Global Alliance at Platform.sh.
Hi, I'm Vincent Robert, Partner Project Manager at Platform.sh.
Thank you, guys. So the agenda for this breakout session is quite simple. It will be divided in 3 parts. The first one will be integrated partners. What's the deal? So we will explain you the path for integrated and external partner in OVH, and it will be presented by Vijay and Vincent. After that, we will see the added value of the Platform.sh integrated offer by Gauthier. And at last, I will present you the product and how we integrated in OVH. So Vijay, if you want to start with the integrated partners.
Thank you, Gregory. Integration journey. So 2 aspects to see this integration journey. One is what it means to you as a customer of OVHcloud consuming the integrated offer and with the difference of marketplace that we offer. 2, what it means to us to deliver the service to you during this pandemic time. Let me talk about what it means to you as a customer of OVHcloud consuming the integrated offer with the marketplace. Let me start with the integrated offer. What is our mission? Our mission is to quickly enrich OVHcloud product catalog by integrating the partner's product, hosting them into OVHcloud data centers, and offering the integrated services to you as a customer to consume. Though we are integrating the partners, the OVHcloud, we own you as a customer. And the contractual relationship is with you as a customer and OVHcloud. In the case of marketplace, the partner owns the customer. Partner owns a contractual relationship. Here in integrated offer, we provide the first level support. We also have FAQs, forum support for you. If the issues or queries are not resolved at the level 1 support, our support agent will talk with partner agent and will ensure that your issues are taken care and resolved. The next biggest thing is ecosystem. This is the most advantage for our customers, where you as a customer enjoy the partner product within OVHcloud catalog, along with other OVHcloud services. Let's assume you already have a public cloud services, right? And access to our manager. It's easy for you to browse through the integrated product catalog available in OVHcloud website and consume in the OVH manager interface. One interface management for the integrated offer and other services at OVHcloud. Billing, you are billed and invoiced by OVHcloud. In case of marketplace, it's like customer is billed by partner. Sales and marketing strategy is shared between OVHcloud and partners to ensure that we bring the product to reach you. In case of marketplace, it's sales and marketing strategy is being handled by partner. The price, the final price of the product is defined by us in the integrated offer. Since the price is defined by OVHcloud, it will be a competitive price comparatively with other providers, keeping the same level of service quality of OVHcloud. In the case of marketplace, it is the pricing strategy is defined by partners. With that being said, now what it means to us to deliver the service to you during this pandemic time. We partnered with the Platform.sh and end-to-end web PaaS solutions. We onboarded the developers remotely, started designing, architecting, developing the frameworks for the integration, multiple workshops to understand the partner products to integrate tightly with OVHcloud, understanding the partners' APIs required for the integration, and documenting the details for both partner side as well OVH side, working with cross-functional teams, like product managers, product marketing, UI, UX, developers, architects, principal engineers, etc., etc. All these collaborations have happened remotely. A team of developers have been dedicated to start the development, unit testing, integration testing, and the product is integrated tightly with OVHcloud and delivered to you as a beta to consume now. Overall, OVHcloud is to build the ecosystem for real by integrating the partner's product into OVHcloud and satisfy our customers and partner needs with the integrated product offering. It's really a teamwork during this pandemic time, and we delivered. Thank you. I would let Vincent to take it up.
Thank you, Vijay. During this co-development, we face many challenges. One of them has been to work together during the COVID-19 pandemic. We had an intense collaboration from both sides with many teams involved. With people from multiple countries like USA, Canada, France, Dubai, and India, all working from home, we only met using video conference. Our main goal was to get the best of the two worlds, passing from one universe to the other with a seamless experience. I will hand over to Gauthier to discuss the added value of the Platform.sh integrated offer.
Yeah, thank you, Vincent. So I'm going to present the added value of the offer, but let's start with the challenge. Today, building and running web applications is becoming more and more complex. Just on the software management, you have many topics to take into account, like collaborating, building, testing, deploying, and running. So for all those phases, there's many different software that you can use, and obviously you have to learn them and maintain them, update them, and it's becoming more and more difficult for a developer to be a master of all the things. But it doesn't stop there. When you are going to the cloud, you also need to learn how the infrastructure works. So how you manage the load balancing, how you manage the storage and the backups, and to learn how a IaaS provider is working. Also, you often have to learn how the pricing is working, and it tends to be more and more complex. So what Platform.sh is proposing is one product, one user interface. The goal is really to simplify the developer experience and to empower the developers, allowing them to create branches of their code, pushing their code, creating branches, deploying new environment, and centralizing all the development DevOps tasks in the same place. So I say empowering because within the product, we have included very simple features that are helping developers to do what is considered as complex task in most contexts, like creating a new staging environment or setting up a new development environment where you can test the last version of your code on the data coming from the production. With Platform.sh, in just one click, you can create a new branch based on the code and clone an entire environment. So the code plus the data. Also, it takes into account the fact that we are managing multiple languages, like technology stacks like PHP, Python, Node.js, Java, and a lot of other stacks, and also a lot of services from MySQL to PostgreSQL, but also Redis, Memcache, and even more advanced services like Solar, Elasticsearch, or even Kafka. So everything is working in one tool, following one process. It's really easy. And you can use that for all your project. I think it's really important to understand that. So let's review the business outcomes of using Platform.sh with OVH. So first, you have the opportunity to standardize your development process and document how you are managing the infrastructure and the different components across all your different projects. And obviously that brings a good advantage when it comes to accelerate the time to market, meet business demand, and focus on your core business. Developers are there to bring value and to work on what and to build the competitive advantages for the company. So it's really what we are striving to deliver. On the result side, we are measuring a wide reduction in DevOps time, like 90%. It's really significant. Obviously, that comes with an uplift in the developer productivity because they can focus on what counts. We are seeing the acceptance testing phase that is going way faster because everything is automated. We can deliver dedicated URLs for a specific environment. And obviously, what we are seeing is more deployment. And today, it's really what our customers are expecting from a platform like we are delivering. It's being able to deploy seamlessly using our continuous development and continuous integration features. It's really bringing a lot of value to the end customers. So I'm going to let Gregory introduce the integrated product that we are working on.
Thank you, Gauthier. Thanks a lot for all these added values. So now, yes, I will introduce you about the product offers and what we are launching in the next weeks. So first, couple of things to remind. The PaaS market is a PaaS that is growing very fast, and the application PaaS in the PaaS market represent actually 21% of this PaaS market. So it's a huge market to catch for us, but it's also a huge market with huge needs from customers. And even if the market is not a mature market, customer expectations are really set. Actually. And those customers' expectations are quite simple. First, we have agility because customers want fast and easy way of developing and they don't want to manage infrastructure. They want the ability to deploy their website or their web app in a minute, and they don't want to do some manual operation. They want speed. They want quickly to test, and they want to learn, and they want to deploy without affecting the prod. They want something seamless. They want to work on many frameworks, many languages, with all those frameworks and languages at the same place. And at the end, they want data sovereignty for their current development platform, just to be sure that their data are secure. With all those things in mind, in OVHcloud, we have decided to expand our web PaaS capabilities and reinforce them. And working with Platform.sh as an independent web PaaS provider, we have done this tight integration for a new offer. This offer is divided in 3 parts. So we have the first part called Starter. Starter is designed for freelance, small agencies, SOHOs. So you have one user who can use it at the same time. So one user, automated backup, some container restriction. So it's more like a trial offer or something you want to use to start with our offer. With single app and single service, no GitHub connection, but Git integration, meaning that you have all the Git benefits, but you're not directly connected to GitHub, and 5 GB of storage. So once you're used to this new offer, you can move to the scale offer. Scale offer, when you have a lot of sites, when you have a team of 3 up to 5 people, then this is the perfect offer. We are targeting web agencies, small and medium business. You will get automated backups, no restriction in the containers, GitHub integration, and 10 GB of storage. And if you want to scale, it's quite easy. You have the business offer. Business offer, you have 10 and more users at the same time working on your complex website. So we are talking about a very large team for web agencies and large business. Same as the Scale offer, you will get automated backup, no restriction on the container, GitHub integration, and 10 GB of storage. From a support perspective, I would say level 1 will be handled by OVH for sure, but we want to create an expert forum. We want you as developer to be able to get your information by yourself and to feed this forum and to create a community around this offer. This is very something we are proud and so we are proud about, and this is something we want to unphase. From a price perspective, as Vijay already mentioned, this is a very competitive price, starting at 19 euros for the starter, up to 99 euros per month for the business offer. The main differences between starter, scale, and business is that starter is just for a freelancer or a small agency with one developer, but you still have options to add vCPU if you need to develop more projects. For scale and business, you can add users, up to 2 users in scale and unlimited users in business, and you can add vCPUs to continue to work on your project and add as many projects as you want. So integrating OVH and Platform.sh, creating this offer, it creates a very large value proposition for us. First, as I already said and Vijay said, it's a fair and predictable pricing. We are starting at 19 euros. It will allow you to control your costs. And if you want, you can test on the market and try to emulate the same offer as the one we are providing. And you will see that the price is quite fair. Platform.sh is fully integrated in OVH, and this is something that we want to unphase also. So it means that once you are in the manager, you are ordering your offer, you can start your project with no delay. It's in real time, you can start now. Platform.sh, as Gauthier mentioned, is providing a lot of things, and for us, this is the best-in-class tool for developers and business team, really, and this is the reason why we choose Platform.sh. We are guaranteeing the scalability functioning of the users, the resources, and the geography, meaning that we are launching this offer in all Europe, actually. So wherever you are in Europe, you can order and launch your website using this offer. It's a seamless migration to cloud. If you are actually developing your website on premise, you have your own servers, you are managing them, you can now move to the cloud without any barrier, without any issues, just using this new offer and just developing your website on this offer. It will answer, for me, all the technological challenge with the broad runtime and services brought by Platform.sh. And as we are hosting this application on OVH, it will respect your data privacy. So thank you everyone for attending to this breakout session. We will now take your questions and we will be able to answer all of them. Thank you.